Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we will discuss different types of soil.
معك خالد. أستاذ السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا بتال حاتم القرشي.
عليكم السلام بطال.
عندنا ناس مطر شلوي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام عبد الملك. عبد العزيز محمد. علي حسام تركي بندر حسام then فيصل
ورحمة الله وبركاته. أيام عبد العزيز محمد الحارثي.
وعليكم السلام عبد العزيز.
السلام عليكم أستاذ، أنا تركي بندر.
وعليكم السلام تركي. من فيصل يامين. page 64.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
عبد الرحمن الصومالي.
صفحة 64.
Yes, page 64. Seal is there. Okay.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم
أنا عبد
السلام.
الرحمن الصومالي.
عليكم السلام عبد الرحمن الصومالي. Page 64 we have the topic different types
أستاذ معك اسمي
soil.
عبد العزيز المالكي.
Hello Abdulaziz. Okay, so here we have different types of soil. Soil yani turab, different types of soil. There are many types of soil. Okay. Recognize different rocks. Understand that rocks can be used in different ways as we are discussing in this unit. The big idea is soil is important for life on the earth. Without it, most plants would not grow. It means soil is very important for plants growth also. Okay. यानी नबातात मुमकिन मौत, ज़्यादा नबातात मुमकिन मौत लो तुराब माफी मौजूद. If there is no soil, most of the plants will die. Okay. Look at the picture here. What are the men? Okay, Assam. Assam knife. Okay.
صفحة كم أستاذ؟
64 أربعة 60. Okay. What are the men doing? Okay, these men यानी इतने नफर. لو واحد هو man man. هنا موجود men यानी इतने أو زيادة. What are they doing? إيش يسوي هذا نفرين. What are they doing? Yes. Tell me boys. أي نفر؟
أستاذ أي صفحة؟
64 يا
يسقي
حبيبي.
الزرع. يسقي الزرع.
أيوة أوكي.
يسقي الزرع. يسقي الزرع.
Anybody in English please? Can you say this in English? they are letting water into the field for the plants. Yani वो आती मोया अगर नबतात. Okay, they are letting water into the fields for the plants.
أستاذ
Okay,
أنا موجود.
hello Turki Abdullah. Okay, we eat foods that come from plants. يعني انت ياكل في كثير هو يجي من نباتات. What plants have you eaten this week؟ يعني هذا اسبوع انت ياكل ايش؟ نباتات. Name 3. Name
Orange. Tomato.
tomato. Okay.
Apple.
Okay.
Banana.
Okay. So we can
Banana.
write number 1 as fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruits. Okay. Number 2. Just 1 second. Number 2 is you can write vegetables.
Water. Water. Vegetables.
Water comes from plants. यानी मोया يجي من نباتات.
No. Oxygen.
Vegetables.
Rice. Rice.
Oxygen.
Yes, rice. Okay, rice. You can rice. You can write here rice. Thank you. Very good
Oxygen.
word. Good answer. Okay, oxygen. Yeah, Habibi. We are talking about food. यानी याकुल. Food. Food في fruits يعني فواكه, vegetables, خضار, or rice يعني رز. You can also write wheat. You can write wheat or leaves like lettuce. Okay, nuts. You have a lot. But we have to write here 3. So we wrote here 3. Name 3. सवाल मौजूद बस اكتب طلع. 64 يا حبيبي 64. شوف هنا صفحة موجود 64.
مو طبيعي.
عبد الرحمن حاتم موجود. اوكي. عبد العزيز محمد الحارسي.
أستاذنا عبد الرحمن. Yes.
اوكي. عبد العزيز المالكي موجود ها.
بشكم.
64. Safwan, page 64. Okay. Then the question is, what else are plants used for? Give 2 uses. We use plants
أستاذ.
for, yes.
أنا عبد الرحمن محمد موجود. Building.
Okay, Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Building. Building.
Yes, buildings. Very good. In buildings yani in buildings we use as wood. صح؟ يعني خشب. Number 1. Wood. Okay. Then number 2.
Shadow. Shadow. 3.
Number 2 we use in medicine also. Adviya, sah? Medicines.
Sometime.
Yeah. And also in clothing, like cotton, you use cotton for making clothes. Okay. Plants need water and they need something to grow in. To grow in. This is a special mixture called soil. Soil provides plants with food, water, and support. Look at the man planting. He is putting small plants into the soil. So this man is planting the plant into the soil. Okay, so plants need, what are the needs of a plant? Plants need food, water, support. This is given by the soil. Okay, and then sunlight and air also. Yani hawa wa sunlight. Yani noor. These are also the needs of a plant. Finished wala baki?
باقي.
Okay.
أنا باقي لي واحدة بس.
ابشر 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 اكتب. اوكي
أستاذ أنا خلصت.
Okay, Faisal, thank you.
Finished.
Okay, thank you, Aus.
Finished.
Very good.
Finished. My name
Okay.
is Turki Bender.
Okay, Turki. Abdul Aziz Saad Al Maliki.
Finished. My name عبد الرحمن محمد.
Okay, موجود خلاص. Next one, Abdul Rahman Hatim Al Nasiri. موجود. Abdul Aziz Muhammad Hamid Al Harsi. موجود. ايوه اوكي.
Yes.
اوكي. Abdul Malik Tamir.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
Yes.
ناصري.
Okay, Aus is there. Okay, then Saeed Saif is there. Saeed Saif. So it's mean only Saeed Saif is absent. Okay, so now we will move towards next page. Page number 65. On
أستاذ ما خلصت. باقي لي بس حروف من آخر كلمة.
ما في مشكلة أنا أرسل لك فيديو مرة ثانية. Okay, I will send you the link of the video. Okay, أنت شوف مرة ثانية.
دخلت متأخر ولا لا؟
أيوة تأخر شوي.
دوبني خلصت building.
ما في مشكلة أنا أرسل لك فيديو مرة ثانية. Okay, عشان في وقت ما في.
طيب.
Okay, thank you. Soil has small pieces of rock in it. These can be as small as sand, yani rumble, grains, and as large as pebbles. Pebbles like this, small, yani صغير حجر هو اسمه pebbles, like daira. Soil has lots of different things in it to help plants to grow. What are those? These are air spaces, yani hena fi hawa. Okay. What are those? Dead plants and animals material, yani huwa मौजूद है ना. أي حيوانات أو نباتات هو موت هو موجود هنا تحت. بعدين تحت في water يعني موية. بعدين في clay. هذا برضو type of a soil. This is a type of soil, clay. Then sand يعني رمل. Then pebbles يعني حجر صغير زي دائرة. Okay. This is a layer of, these are layers of earth, layers of soil. Then circle the label if you found that part of soil in your test. Okay. Dead plants and animals, number 1, then water, then clay, then fine sand, then thick sand, then gravel. So this is an investigation which we can do at home also. This is a kind of project. Okay. So you understood there are some different types of different layers of soil like water, clay, sand, pebbles. These are all help plants to grow. Okay. Now on page number 67. In first part we have different kinds. Look, chalky soil. What is chalky soil? It's light brown with white pieces, lots of holes full of air. Holes yani there are some what we call holes in Arabic, I don't know. Holes like this, small like this. Okay, these are holes full of air yani मौजूद जुआ हवा बस. Water drains quickly, yani water it comes out quickly. Then sandy soil, a light color, lots of holes full of air yani fi kathir holes, and these are also full of air. Then water drains quickly and feels dry. وما في يعني مويه ما في موجود زياده, feels dry. Then loam, dark brown, هذا loam. This is a kind of soil. Dark brown, ideal mixture of sand يعني موجود رمل كويس, clay and dead animals and plants. يعني هذا كل شيء موجود كويس, يعني عدد كويس. Water drains well, يعني هو امسك مويه زيادة كويس يعني. Then full of the chemicals needed by the plants, يعني لو نباتات تبغى أي شيء هو موجود. Okay, any chemicals or anything. Yes, Turki Abdullah.
أستاذ
أيوة.
إيش هو الكلاي؟
الحين أنا وصلت اللوم, بعدين clay. Clay is also a type of soil, orange or gray, very few holes, not too much, so not much air. يعني ما في holes زيادة وما في هواء برضو. Water drains slowly, هو يمسك موية slow ما في زيادة. Feels damp and wet, يعني هو انت لو انت يمسك هو زي موية, انت فكر هذا فيه موية. ايوه بتال, you have any question؟
عاد الصفحة 64 أكتب تويز.
67 الحين موجود يا حبيبي.
طب لو في صفحة 64 أكتب تويز.
دقيقة. لا 64 ليش؟
صفحة 64 عاد أكتب تويز.
لا تويز لا. اوكي.
ما التويز من الخشب؟
لا هو كلام يعني انت يبغى يكتب تويز حق القلب, ها حق البلانتس. Okay, you want to write making toys? Okay, no problem, that is okay. Making toys. Orange or gray, these are types of soil. يعني هذا كله حق التراب. chalky soil هذا برضو تراب chalky. بعدين sandy يعني حق الرمل هذا برضو soil. loam هذا كويس حق البلانتس. loam is good for plants. okay, يعني نباتات يجي كويس في اللوم. clay هذا برضو soil. लेकिन plants يجي كويس في اللوم. which soil will get muddy after heavy rain? It will get muddy, it is clay. You will write here clay. Clay. Then which soil will be too dry to grow crops? That is sandy soil. لو في مطر زيادة في رمل ما في مشكلة, هو يمسك كل water. Okay, so that is sandy soil. Finished?
بقيلي بس واحدة.
Okay.
Finish. My name is Turkey Bandar.
Okay, Turkey.
Finish.
بس كلام هو ما في خلاص. Okay, then.
Finish.
Okay, that's good. Now we have a question, last question. Yeah, I can. Okay, أنا أكتب ما في مشكلة. Said Saif is there now. Okay, clay and sandy. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, next we have question which is circle the correct answer. Number 1, rocks are used for buildings because they are soft wala hard?
Hard.
Yes, hard, very good. They are hard. Yani gavi. Okay. Number 2. Small round pieces of soil are
Page
page 67. Number 2.
Art.
الحين
Granite. Granite. Granite.
يا حبيبي اسمع small round pieces يعني كده زي circle. هذا اسمه ايش؟ we talked دقيقة. We talked about here. Look, these are what? Pebbles. أيوة. These are pebbles. Then last one, the best soil growing crops is crops يعني نباتات حق الزرع. ايش كويس؟
لام
لا دقيقة.
Loam.
أيوة loam.
Loam.
Very good. Loam is good for plants. As I told you here also, plants, loam is good for plants. Thank you. These are called pebbles. Okay, then small round pieces of rocks are pebbles. Rocks are used for buildings because they are hard. The best soil for growing crops is loam.